Hi there, it's Michelle Gwen at Gwen Properties team at RE/MAX Professionals. Today I've got my friend Nathan Einhorn with iPro Lending, and I thought it was important to talk about some of the things going on with mortgages today and answer some of the questions that I get frequently from buyers that I take shopping for houses. So thank you for joining me today, Nathan. Super excited to have you. So can you explain the difference between a mortgage broker and a direct lender and how that's an advantage to a client?
The primary difference is most correspondent lenders are captive. They work for a bank, and so they have the bank's products, and that's what they offer. As a wholesale broker, I work over 19 different lenders, and because of that, I have a wider variety of products I can offer. Every lender has very niche products, so finding the right product for my borrowers, for your borrowers, is the advantage that we have as brokers.
And does that help the, I know a lot of clients come to me about rates and stuff. Does that help you become more competitive with different rates, and is that what you mean by products?
Absolutely, that's one of the advantages. Although what a lot of people don't know is that a lender's rate that they offer is directly correspondent to their costs. So being a wholesale broker, being independent, we don't have a lot of the overhead that some of the big banks do. And because of that, we're able to pass those savings along to our clients, and typically are able to beat the big guys by anywhere from 3/8 to almost half a point, which is tens of thousands of dollars over the life of your loan.
Great. What's one of the biggest myths that you hear from folks shopping for rates time and time again, and how do you overcome some of those myths with your clients?
One of the biggest misconceptions or falsities that's still out there is that if you have multiple lenders pull your credit, that it's going to hurt your credit and disqualify you from getting a loan, and that's absolutely not true. The CFPB passed a law back in 2015 changing that, which actually helps to encourage borrowers to shop around and get the best rate. So if I pull your credit and you go shop around, you can go talk to 30 other different banks, have all 30 banks pull your credit, and it's not going to hurt you. That one pull is the only pull that affects.
Okay, perfect. And along those lines, I know a lot of folks come to me sometimes and they say, Michelle, I don't think my credit's good enough to buy a house. So in your opinion, with the products that you work with and the banks that you work with, what's a good credit score, in your opinion, for someone to consider themselves mortgage worthy?
So that's actually goes right along with being a broker. One of the advantages that I have, we have lenders that will go down to 500. So your credit score, what I always tell everybody, is kind of like a magnifying glass. The higher your credit score is, that's the further away that magnifying glass is from looking at your actual file. It gives you access to much more product, much better pricing. So 740 and above is what we would consider excellent credit in the mortgage industry. 680 is kind of right up there at that good. And then below 600 would be considered kind of subprime or lower. But like I said, we have lenders that go as low as 500.
What advice do you give to clients when they first start shopping for homes relative to the mortgage process?
Know your budget. Get pre-qualified. Like I said before, shop around. Every lender has different products. Even as a broker with 19 different lenders, there's products that I can't offer. So find someone that's going to be the right fit for you. Find someone that is going to, keep your best interest in mind.
How do people get a hold of you?
They can reach me at 720-980-9988. That's my cell phone, my direct. I'm typically available Monday through Friday till 7 p.m. Or they can go to iProLending.com.
Great. Thank you, Nathan.
Thank you.